Hello lettering friends. Today I am here with the Prismacolor hand lettering advanced set. I am very excited. I did not know they had a hand lettering set, or brush markers for that matter. I am a lover of their regular coloring markers because when you color with them, they just melt right into the paper. There's no streaks. You can't tell if I was using lines or circles. So I do love their artist markers, and I'm very excited to try the brush lettering markers. I have never used them. So this kit comes with an insert for tips and tricks. It comes with a kneaded eraser, 2 graphite pencils, 7 illustration markers, also known as fine liners, and then it has 2 dual-ended tip markers. One is a chisel tip and a fine tip, and then one is a brush tip and a fine tip. And the brush tips are the one that I have never used. I didn't even know they carried these. So I'm excited to try these. So I'm just going to do some basic hand lettering strokes. Downstroke, also known as thick stroke, is very basic. That's pretty easy. Upstroke, this is a little more difficult with this brush pen. As you can see, I'm a little bit shaky because I'm trying so hard to get my thin stroke. The tip of this, you can see it, is very soft. It's not like a Tombow where there's a little bit more stiffness in your tip. So as far as lettering goes, I would have a lot of trouble getting my thin strokes with this marker. Thick strokes, great. Thin strokes, a little hard. It's going to take me a lot of practice. So the more I do it, the easier it gets, but it would take me a lot of practice to be able to use these for lettering. They do also carry the colored brush markers. So they do have a set here. This was around $25 on Amazon. It's got a set of 12 of the brush tips. These are also dual-ended. So it has a fine tip and then a brush tip. But just so you can see how vibrant their colors are, I love their colors. Their markers are a little bit more on the high-end side, so they are a little bit more expensive if you're looking into the regular artist markers. I have some of those, but not all of them. I would love to have all of them. So like I said, you can get this advanced set. This is what it looks like, Prismacolor Premier Hand Lettering Advanced Set. You can get this on Amazon for around $20 if you're interested in getting it. And if you do try it out, I would love to know what you thought about using them for hand lettering. You can leave comments below to let me know. Or even if you try out their artist markers and you just color in with them, like I said, they melt right into the paper like butter, so I love them. But if you try them out, I would love to hear from you. You can also follow me on Instagram at Learn2Handletter. And if you like this video, hit subscribe, and thanks for watching.